Come on, push. Shake. No, hold on to your bike. It's raining. I think it's rain and snow. I see some snow pieces. Push, Mark. There you go. You're doing it. Oh, it's hail.
Mom, we're gonna die.
It's hailing out.
We're gonna die.
Wow. Hurry up, guys, because we can't stay out long. Look at all the ice falling. Look. Oh my God. I can't really get it. Oh, there you go. You can see it. Look at all that hail. Holy crap. That's ice falling. Go this way. Push it hard. I'll show you. And go. You know how to ride your bike. Keep going. Didn't stop. We got a storm coming.
I said
My babies. Tiana and Kevin and Amari. You're doing a good job on your birthday bike.